Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable RCS on Google Messages. So if you have an Android phone that supports the use of the Google Messages application, and now you want to enable or turn on RCS on the Google Messages app, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable RCS on Google Messages, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messages app or search for Messages, then tap Messages. Now, if Google Messages is not set as default on your phone, tap Set Default SMS App. Then select Google Messages from the pop, then click on Set as Default. Once you selected Set as Default, then you should see your Google Messages open like this. Click on the profile icon at the top right. Then select Messages Settings. Click on General. Under General, locate and click on RCS Charts. Then if in your own case RCS Chart is turned off, to enable RCS Chart in the Google Messages app, just toggle this on, then you should say verify your number. Then Google Messages is going to verify your number, and whichever number that is set connected here is what has been verified. So you can just go ahead and verify the number manually by clicking on verify your number, type in your phone number and click on add, and then wait for the verification code from Google. Once you have the verification code, go ahead and type in the verification code to verify your RCS chart number if it is not done automatically. So once you have the message, then type in the code and then you're good. So that is exactly how to enable RCS chart on Google Message. You can now go ahead and open a support account, click on number, select the number of your RCS chart, and then you should say RCS chart here and then you're good. So that is exactly how to enable RCS on Google Messages. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.